Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the country or region on your eBay application. So let's get started. First of all, open up the eBay app on your mobile device and log into your account if necessary. From the homepage, tap on My eBay at the bottom. Now, tap on the Settings button from the menu at the bottom and scroll down to General. Tap on Country or Region. If you toggle on the button right next to Auto Detect Country or Region, the app will auto-detect the country you are residing in. If you want to change to something else, toggle off the button right next to it and then go to the bottom of the screen and choose a different country you want to change to. Right after you make a selection, your country will be changed. Changing your country will affect the available shipping options, currencies, and some localized feature on eBay. So that's how you easily do it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more eBay tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.